What do you think of the P-pop domination movement in the local music industry? You know what I'm talking about? Yung mga SB19, mga Alamat, you know, Bini. What do you think of that? And do you know, are you familiar with their music? Ratio muna, please.
Siguro, yes, it's a good thing din po for us Filipinos kasi nakikilala din po talaga yung mga artists po natin. Hindi lang po dito sa local, kundi also internationally po, which is something that we need po talaga kasi ang Philippines po talaga overflowing with talents po talaga. And it's something that international po, hindi pa nila masyadong nakikita po. Kasi parang mas lalo nila tinatangkilik po yung mga ibang lahi dahil nga Asians po tayo. So, napakagandang ano din po nun, talagang way for us to be seen po worldwide. And, pero siguro din po talaga, we need to have more identity pa. Kasi it's like K-pop po kasi eh. So parang, it's very similar din po in a way to each other. But, yeah.
What did
Their music, yung mga SB19, alam mo naman?
Some of their songs po talaga. Pero naririnig ko din po yung, di ko po talaga alam yung title kasi Tagalog. More on ano po talaga, foreign songs, Ariana Grande, ganyan.
Alright.
19 pala. SB19. May mga ano rin naman, may mga ballad din na mga, na may flavor din naman na naririnig ako.
Well, to be honest, Filipino pop or the term P-pop is just a term for the Filipino music to be distinguished within the global scene. But besides the language that we use, like I think pop in general is very universal. So the same elements and everything. And I think what we bring to the table is, well, whenever we make music, we make our own music, like 100%, even the music videos and whatnot. So I think what we bring to the table is the journey or the experience of the Filipinos, us, all Filipino members. And every time we try to create or write our music, it's always about our journey, our experiences in life. So basically, maybe that's what makes P-pop or Filipino music.
So highly authentic.
Yeah, highly authentic.